In this video, we explore how to leverage the popular generative AI tool, ChatGPT, to research your favorite stock. You don't need to be a tech-savvy investor to follow along. We will demonstrate how to extract key fundamental and technical analysis data from ChatGPT. With near real-time data and enhanced features in its latest model, ChatGPT can display charts and provide key parameters for stock analysis. We will use Meta as our example stock. However, this video is not a recommendation to buy or sell Meta. It's simply a guide on how you can conduct stock research effectively. Let's get started. Let's start with a very simple prompt. You can find all the prompts in the description of this video to try it yourself. Give me the support and resistance levels of Meta. Understanding support and resistance levels can help traders pinpoint potential turning points in the stock's price movement, aiding in strategic decision-making. As you can see, it displays the stock price as of today, March 22, 2025, and provides a chart directly in the response window. This allows for quick analysis without needing to switch to another tool. While it's still quite basic and lacks customization options, the chart is useful for a quick historical price check. Below, it displays the support and resistance levels, which we requested in the prompt. If you want to learn more about how to use support, resistance, and key moving averages, which will be covered in our next prompt, check out our day trading masterclass linked in the description. Let's ask ChatGPT another simple question. What are the key moving averages? Moving averages act as trend indicators, smoothing price fluctuations to reveal market direction. Key levels like the 50-day and 200-day moving averages help gauge momentum. If you are a day trader, check out our popular day trading masterclass for some common patterns and how to maximize gains and minimize losses, linked in the description. Let's try another prompt. Is the stock overbought or oversold? Market conditions often swing between extremes, and knowing if a stock is overbought or oversold using indicators like RSI can highlight potential reversal opportunities. Summarize the sentiments of recent news articles about Meta. Investor sentiment is a powerful force in stock movements. Reviewing recent news can provide insights into market expectations and potential shifts in a stock's valuation. Here, ChatGPT not only provides a summary, but also includes links to important articles for you to read and analyze further. Let's ask another fundamental analysis question. Summarize the takeaways from recent earnings calls. Earnings calls reveal valuable information about a company's financial performance and future strategies. Summarizing key points helps investors grasp the overall business outlook. In the short term, stocks act as a voting machine, influenced by market sentiment and emotions. In the long term, they serve as a weighing machine, reflecting the true value based on earnings and growth potential. Grasping these fundamentals is essential for successful investing. Perform a SWOT analysis of Meta based on its recent performance and news articles. A SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, provides a structured way to assess Meta's competitive position and potential risks and rewards. Now let's look at prompts like, is Meta at $5.96 a good stock to buy? Price alone doesn't determine value. Evaluating whether Meta is a good buy at its current price requires assessing fundamentals, technicals, and broader market conditions. You can ask questions like, how is Meta's stock performing relative to the overall market? Comparing Meta's movements against benchmarks like the S&P 500 or NASDAQ can reveal whether it's a strong performer or lagging behind its peers. By using these prompts, you can harness the power of ChatGPT to conduct a comprehensive stock analysis. You can find the prompts in the description of the video, and also ask additional relevant questions based on your understanding of the stock market to get quick responses, helping you cut down on research time. Please note that generative AI tools like ChatGPT may not provide 100% accurate responses. It's important to use the information as a guideline and validate key numbers using other reliable tools for more precise insights. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel for more informative content.